Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy About Cats. Do you not like doing magic rings? Well, this is the video for you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do what a magic ring does, but it's not a magic ring. So you need your yarn and a needle, and you're going to do a slip knot. And to do a slip knot, you fold your yarn like this. But then you grab it right here, and this yarn, you go through and pull. And put your hook in it. And next, you're going to chain 2. Make sure the first one is loose so you can get your hook through it. So now that you've got 2, the first one you did, not the one closest to the hook, but the other one, you're going to do a single crochet into it. And you're going to repeat that 5 more times so that you have 6 single crochet into the first loop. And now I have what a magic ring does. So I'm going to repeat that again, just one more time, so you have it. So you do a slip knot, put your hook in it and pull tight. Now chain 2, again make the first one loose so you can get your hook through it, and you've got the 2. In the first chain you did, put your hook through it and do 6 single crochet into it. I did the 6 single crochet, and that's all you have to do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you would like any more crochet tutorials, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!